Every restoration has a story, and sometimes that story is not about a car, but about the machines that supported an entire era of motoring. This American trailer arrived in worn and tired condition, marked by decades of use, exposure, and neglect. Rust had taken hold of the structure, the chassis showed fatigue, the mechanical components were outdated, and the overall appearance reflected years of hard service rather than preservation. What once was a strong, functional piece of equipment had slowly faded into disrepair. The restoration began with a complete inspection and disassembly. The trailer was stripped down to its core, allowing every structural element to be assessed individually. Corroded metal was removed, damaged sections were cut away, and the chassis underwent extensive repair work to restore its original strength and geometry. Precision welding and metal fabrication were essential to rebuild the framework exactly as intended. Once the structure was sound again, attention turned to surface preparation. The trailer was carefully cleaned, treated, and prepared for refinishing. Protective coatings were applied to ensure long-term durability, followed by a high-quality paint finish that not only restored its original appearance, but also added modern protection against corrosion and wear. Mechanical components were refurbished or replaced where necessary. Axles, suspension parts, braking components, bearings, and mounting hardware were restored to ensure reliability and safety. Every detail was addressed, from fasteners and mounts to functional fittings, ensuring the trailer was not only visually correct, but fully usable. The final assembly brought all elements together. With fresh paint, renewed structure, and restored mechanical systems, the trailer emerged transformed. No longer a forgotten utility piece, but a fully restored example of American industrial craftsmanship. This project is a reminder that restoration is not limited to cars alone. It is about preserving history, function, and design, bringing back machines that once played a vital role behind the scenes. Restored with care and precision, this American trailer now stands ready for a new chapter, stronger, cleaner, and better protected than ever before. This is restoration in its purest form, practical, honest, and built to last.